Put a little olive oil just to sweat up the stuff. And then in there, moderate flame. We're not looking for any color. Wait for the cabbage. This is a vegetarian cabbage and spinach soup, and I will not use store-bought vegetable stock. So there's the stock for the vegetables, and it's going to be pureed. So we're using nothing that's not fresh. And into there, I'm going to just put, you can put either three bay leaves or a quarter of a teaspoon of ground bay leaves. I like the ground because I don't have to pick the bay leaves out. But then you have to figure the equivalent of bay leaf to how much ground. Okay, so we're going to sweat this up. And there's the garlic, there's the cabbage. And into this, after a few minutes, I'm going to put the water. And then after everything is very, very soft, then I will add the spinach. And within 2 minutes after that, it will be done. Because I would like to have the spinach to stay green. So if you put it in now, it's going to be brown. And there's parsley. And just for the hell of it, I'll put some tomato paste. Not that it's going to be red, but there's 1 tablespoon. You keep a can of the tomato paste in the freezer and use a little bit here, a little bit there. Okay, no sense in wasting the film watching this. What to do is bang a little. Okay, moderate flame. Cover it. Come back in 10 minutes. I'm going to add the water now. That's 1 quart. It'll be 2 quarts because we know this is going to reduce. And now you just cook that until everything is very, very soft. Then I'm going to throw in the spinach. Okay? Bring it to a boil, let it simmer, soft, that's done. Well, it's been an hour and a half. And the reason why that looks a little brown because when I was sauteing, I wasn't paying attention, and that's what happens. So you have to pay attention. The bottom got a little crispy. So that's why the color's not as white as I would have wanted, but guess what? The flavor's still there. Cover this up and let this cook for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to check it. Looking good. Now we are going to take the, what do you call, the smart stick, which purees most anything, and give it a whirl. What is wrong with that? Well, I'm going to do this because that noise must be annoying. So let me do this and then I'll get back to it. I don't know what that noise is all about, but it stopped. So this takes a few minutes. And I'll be doing this for another 3 or 4 minutes to get it really smooth. So you can see the consistency. That's perfect. It's not too thin, not too thick. And I'll take a little bit in the bowl. I put the salt in there and sriracha hot chili sauce. And then we put in optional a dollop of fat-free sour cream. That's optional because this is a gluten-free, veggie soup. So I'll have the amount of the yield in the description. Enjoy.